Steel section database Indian steel design code IS 800 2007 concrete design code IS 456 2000 click on OK. Number of grid line in X direction 4 and in Y direction as 1. Number of stories as we select 0, then it shows data number of story cannot be less than 1. Make it 1. Go to custom grid spacing, click on edit grid data, click on display grid data and spacing. Spacing as 3 meter for span 1, 4 meter for span 2, 5 meter for span 3. Click on OK. Add structure object should be grid only. Click on OK again. As you can see here that long view of the beam is shown in the figure as here. Now we will define material properties. Click on add new material. Material type as concrete. Grade as M30. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Now add new material again. Material type as rebar. HYSD grade 415. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Click on OK to close the window. Now go to define menu and define section properties. Go to frame section. Click on add new property and select concrete rectangular frame. Give a proper name for the beam as 230 by 300 and the metal type as M30. Depth is 230 and width as 300. Click on reinforcement, modify / show rebar. Design type, because we are designing beam, therefore longitudinal and confinement pass should be HYSD 415 and the clear cover both at top and bottom should be 25 as per the IS code. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Click on OK to close the window. Now select span 1 of 3 meter. First of all, go to elevation view and click on OK. As here you can see span is there. Now click, select span 1. Now select draw beams and the property as we have already defined. Just assign the beam using cube draw option. Press escape button to exit the function of the beam. Now here you can see in the 3D view there is option extrude view tower. Click on this button. Here you can see beam is designed and this portion is drawn by mistake, therefore click on undo. Now we will assign joints. Select joint 1, select another joint, go to assign menu, click on joint, restrainment, and click on fixed, click on apply and then OK. Here you can see fixed support has been assigned. Now we will assign load Go to first of all we will select the span of the beam. Here you can see one frame gets selected. Go to assign menu, go to frame load and then distribute it. And the load we are giving 10 kN per meter. Apply. OK. Select another span. Go to assign menu. Go to frame load and then point. Absolute distance from one end, and we are giving distance 5 meter, 10 kN load. Click on apply. Click on OK. Now again go to assign menu, go to frame load and go to distributing. At this time we are applying UVL. First of all, we have to select the member of the beam. As here you can see that the load side beam is assigned successfully. Now we will analyze our beam. Go to check model, click on select all, click on OK. It will show you a warning if any. Model has been checked, no warning message was generated. Go to analyze, click on run analysis. Save the model if you have not saved it before. Now it will take some time, depend on the computer processing speed. Our model has been successfully analyzed. As you can see, the deformed shape is shown in this 3D view. Go to display, go to force stress diagram, go to frame pair spandrel and click on apply to see the moment. As here you can see the moment of the beam is shown. Similarly we can design. Go to concrete frame design, click on view device preferences, make sure design code should be IS456 2000, click on OK, go to design menu, concrete frame and then click on start design / check option. Our model has been successfully designed. As here you can see the reinforcement is shown. Reinforce factor, force moment, design moment, all the information regarding design is shown in the figure. Go to display menu, design menu, concrete frame design, click on verify load member passed. All concrete frames pass the design check. Therefore our model has been successfully analyzed and designed. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.